Alright. All the babies are back at home in the shed barn building. So I can lock them up and they'll be safe for the night. They were out pretty much all day, so they enjoyed it. And I decided to use that dried grass as bedding since they loved it so much. And I got to take a little peek at their chests. It looks like I have a pretty good mix of boys and girls. Last time I got a lot of boys. So it'll be interesting to see. I think this one was a girl from what I saw. So, very exciting. We've had an eventful day, so they're probably going to go straight to sleep. So, is that right? Alright, babies. Good night.